Apple store in Dubai Mall. Come inside.
The newly launched iPhone 15 series is now available for pre-booking. Booking for the model started September 15. The UAE is the first wave of launch markets worldwide for the iPhone 15. The iPhone 15 is available in 5 shades with a pastel color theme: black, blue, green, yellow and pink. Here is a look at the prices of the new iPhones. iPhone 15 Pro Max price starts at 5,099 dirhams for 256 GB. iPhone 15 Pro at 4,299 dirhams. The sale will officially take place on September 22nd. For more information, you can visit the Apple stores or Apple website. For more updates, please subscribe our channel PlannerFollower. Thank you.